Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the issues when you want to download Call of Duty Mobile, but you can't seem to find it on a Google Play Store for Motorola Razr 2022. And to do this, first let's open up our Google Play Store. Right here we need to find Call of Duty, but there's no game that we want to download. And it says that the parental controls are restricted. So go back, click on your profile picture, navigate to the settings, then family, parental controls, and right here either disable parental controls entirely or go for apps and games. Enter the PIN code, increase PG to at least 16, make sure to save the settings afterwards, go back, and the game should be here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.